All right, good day, everyone. It's a pleasure to have you again to our base. So, this is your colleague, Nwachukwu Achigozie, the pioneer of Fish College YouTube channel, a channel where we train people on the basic things that they need to know to make profit in their business and to get this business done very well so that others can be inspired to do it. I knew that due to the increment of fuel and the increment of feed, many of us are actually having challenge on how to market our products and on how to go about the business. So I will actually encourage you not to quit because we have a strategic plan that will help everyone to be successful in this business. Meanwhile, I actually want to welcome all the core members that just attend our workshop training in NYSC camp. We just returned back from the camp, and today's date is 15th. I think 15th. Today is 16th of December. 15th. Okay, today is 15th of December 2023. I just want to update you. You can see our Christmas lights just helping you to know that we're actually in Christmas season, and we trust God that we are going to end this year well, and God is going to remember every one of us. And to our clients that have been succeeding, that have made a lot of benefit from our work, we encourage you to send your Christmas gift across to us, whether in cash or in kind, anyhow you will do it. All our clients that make good results from following our channel. It's not enough sending us text message, telling us thank you and giving us call. We want you to be materialistic in your appreciation, okay? So that we can, pray more good prayers for you and guide you much more better. So, as I was saying to my core members that just left camp some days ago, and those that left the camp in November, I know you are still trying to settle down. I will encourage you as you settle down. Let's try to enjoy our training. We actually train on fish farming, fish population, beekeeping, and the rest of them. The best way to enjoy is for you to start off small. You don't need to wait until you have millions before you can venture into the business. So just start, then we'll mentor you, we'll guide you. So there's no fear. So wherever you are being posted to and you are having some kind of fear about that place, you chat us up and we'll guide you properly. Then to all our students that have been waiting for us to finish, because indeed training on camp was not easy. It was very, very intensive, and we have to shut down everything we are doing. That is why for a long time we have not posted any video. So we have been so much busy. We are back, so we are going to start a new cycle very soon, and we'll update you. And you are free right now to send your questions. And for those of you who are yet to get our material, try and get our material. And for those who have not subscribed to our channel, I wonder what you're waiting for. I wonder why you have not subscribed. Try to subscribe. Subscribing grants access to what we are doing. So the first thing you have to do is to subscribe. After subscribing, to like, after liking, share with your friends. Then place your comments. So these comments have a way of inspiring us to do more video. Drop questions, drop things that you need us to do. So I'm going to be giving you a highlight of some of the things, activities we do in camp, like just to let you know that we are fully back. So this is Fish College. We love you. We love you. We wish you the best. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye. Happy Christmas. Can you see that water is going out? So this is our practical section. So, and these core members were actually teaching them the components of a pond and easy way to start. So down there is a mobile pond, 6 by 6 feet, and this 6 by 6 can effectively carry 3 to 500 fish. So we are actually inspiring them. You don't need to wait until you have all the millions that you need to you desire to get before you can venture into this business. And now we are back to the class where we teach them. So what we actually do is, after giving them the basics, we carry out some practicals to back up what we have been teaching them. Then Are you a leader in any organization, be it church, NGO, or MD of an agricultural firm, and you desire your staff to be properly trained? You can actually partner with Fish College to get them effectively trained and well equipped in the basic things that they need to know about fish farming. And are you a youth and you don't have a job and you desire to work in a farm? So you can, call us or chat us up. We help young ones to grow, and this is what we have been doing over a long time. And if I'll be sincere with you, we have actually helped a lot of persons to secure a job. Are you having challenge in your farm? Why not contact us? So we have keen interest in seeing people succeed in fish farming business. Alright, thank you so much. I'm gonna give you a little music to enjoy what you're gonna see. So subsequently, as we carry out our lectures, we're gonna be giving you highlight on what we have actually done in the camp. The camp is always an interesting place. Nigeria government introduced what we call SAID. SAID means skill acquisition and entrepreneurship development, and it's actually fixed to help our youth acquire skills. When I mean skills, it's not just agricultural skill. We're helping our fish college anchor the agricultural sector in Ondo State. So it have always been a nice moment empowering our youth and guiding them to do well in agriculture. So, and to my students, I keep encouraging you. The Bible says, blessed are the doers and not the hearers. And the best way for you to enjoy what we have teach you is to be confident enough to start small. So to every one of you that is watching this video, don't just be waiting while you gather the millions. Be thinking of how you can start with a little that you have, and that grow up. We continue to bless you. Remember, I love you so much, and I actually want every one of you to succeed. So that fish you just saw now is hybrid, and this is Clarius. We're actually showing them how to differentiate between hybrid and Clarius carapinus. Okay, so a lot of things was actually done, and these ones we are very happy. They were highly inspired and motivated. I love you guys, love every one of you that have subscribed to our channel. And if you have not done that, as I said earlier, subscribe to our channel now and share our videos with your friends so they can watch and be well inspired. Thank you, Fish College, love you and always desire the best for you. Thank you.
Are we going to be showing them the male, female, how they do? Also, I'm just going to pass Alright, so,
So are you getting this stuff? This time doesn't matter. Very well, right? Give me a signal, then we'll start. I want to appreciate every one of you that have been following us in this channel. So for some time we have been on camp, we have been training core members. I think the last video we posted was for the beginning of the training, and as you can see, this is part of our finished products. And you can see the gentlemen here, they have been empowered and equipped with a lot of skills that will prepare them for the future. So part of what we train them, we tell them how you can treat your water, how you can test and manage your water. We tell them feed formulation. You can see these are some of the items that we normally use in making feed. So I'll be giving them chance to express themselves, to share little testimonies on what they have learned. And I would like you to say kudos to them, even though you can just see them just go like this after watching them. So thank you.